London Portion, Negros Occidental, San Carlos City, Salvador Benedicto, Calatrava, Taboso, Setting Escalante, Saga City, Cadiz City, Manapla, Setting Victoria, Incabi Magalona, Sinai City, City of Tunisia, Bacola, Murcia, Bago, Pelopantan, Valladolid, Lagolota City, San Enrique, Pontevedra, La Castellana, Gemarosa, Santo Porción of Iloilo, Bautac Viejo, San Rafael, Calino, Nucena, Bahasa, Noton, Pablo, Dueñas, Bautac Nuevo, Gimba, Almagan, Iloilo City, Tigbawan, Anilao, San Miguel, Leon Mina, Santa Barbara, Legandes, Dingle, Saraga, Bengawan, Kabatuan, Alemodian, Dumangas, San Joaquin, San Enrique, Badiangan, Banate, Setapasi, Pototan, Nabunao, Tubungan, Eberas, Hanyuay, Miyagang, the Santa Portion of Tige. I'm going to do a part 3 because I'm running out of time doing this read and stuff.